Okay, morning students. So how are you? I think you are fine. So today again I am with the next video on our online class. So yesterday video we have discussed all the exercise. I hope there is not any problem. If any problem there is, you can comment on question answer portal, or there is the group. You can question there. I'll try to solve that. And those who are not added in the group, okay, you can also message me in my messenger. And those who are not using any of the social media, simply you can give the question on our software. There is the question answer portal. I will solve there. So today we will start the next chapter. Okay, we have completed two chapters. Now we will start the next chapter, and that is related to the disease. So in this topic we will discuss about the different kinds of disease, their cause, their preventing measure, their symptom. So some of the disease on the basis of symptom we can identify ourselves also, and also what are the causative agent, how it is caused, and how we can prevent from there. So next unit 4 we will discuss about the disease. Before talking about different kinds of disease, now what is disease? Okay, disease generally it means the condition of a body when a person is feeling absence of comfort. Generally when we are healthy, we are not suffering from any kind of disease. If we are healthy, okay, we feel comfort in our body. But as soon we start suffering from any kind of disease, okay, we don't feel comfort in our body, we don't feel easy in our body. Okay, something problem is seen in our body. So disease is a condition of the body in which a person is feeling absence of comfort. Okay, that means the body is not feeling comfort. Okay, not easy as usual, as working for doing any work, our body is not feeling comfort. So that condition is called disease. It is a abnormal condition, not normal, abnormal. Okay, a disorder of the structural and the functional that affects the part of whole body. Okay, when you are suffering from disease, what happens? Normal work, normal behavior, normal habit, okay, suddenly that goes on changing. So it is also abnormal condition or disorder of the structure function that affects the all the parts of our body. Now simply sometimes you feel tired, okay, before starting the common cold, okay, sneezing, coughing. So at that time we don't feel comfort in our body. Any deviation from the normal health can be treated as disease. Okay, anything seen is there which decrease the ability to do work, okay, any kinds of deviation from our normal health, okay, that is a disease, that can be termed as a disease. It is any condition that impair the normal function of the body. In this unit gives you a brief introduction of the selected disease with a preventing measure. Earlier I told you in this unit we will discuss about different kinds of disease, some of the common disease, okay, and also how they are caused, how we can be prevented from there, and what is the symptom. Okay, generally symptom identifies the disease. So we'll discuss about these things in this topic. Okay, before entering the different kinds of disease, first we should understand, okay, about the two broad classes of disease as per the as per transmission. Okay, how it transfer, whether it transfer from person to person, whether it does not transfer from person to person. Now if you see the case of COVID-19, that is rapidly increasing. Why? Because the mode of transmission, that is very quick, it easily transfer from person to person. So some of the disease are there which does not transfer. Okay, so there are two broad classes, that is communicable and non-communicable. Communicable are those disease which spread from person to person or from animals to person through some of the medium. Okay, some of the medium, that means while transferring also different mediums are there. So the disease which transfer from person to person, that is communicable disease. Just opposite, the disease which does not transfer, okay, does not transfer from one person to another person, that is called non-communicable disease. Now, for the communicable disease, okay, there are some of the medium, some of the way how the disease they transfer. So communicable disease, this disease need some medium like air, water droplets, cloth, insect, some other medium to transfer. Like talking about the COVID-19, okay, generally it transfer from droplets while sneezing, while coughing, okay. So in the same way, different communicable diseases are there. In all the communicable disease, they need certain medium, okay, whether it is water, okay, or air, okay, or clothes, or sometimes insect also they transfer. But for the non-communicable disease, it does not transfer. So these do not transfer through any medium. Okay, why? Because it does not transfer. So any medium are not responsible for this. Okay, these kinds of disease they occurs in a specific person because of some other causes. So a non-communicable disease they don't transfer by any of the medium. Next, cause for communicable and non-communicable. That is, cause for the communicable, that is infection and infection of bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa, or any other worms cause this disease. Now, these communicable disease are caused by microorganism like bacteria, fungus, okay, virus. This COVID also, that is because of the virus. So communicable is caused by the bacteria, virus, fungi, most of the microscopic organism. But the non-communicable disease they are caused by the poor lifestyle, okay, pollution, alcohol, tobacco, okay, tension, stress, lack of exercise, poor nutrients. Okay, already in the nutrition chapter we have discussed about the malnutrition. So that also leads to certain kinds of disease. We have also discussed different kinds of disease, and they are non-communicable. So poor nutrition, they are the cause for non-communicable disease. Now, nature of communicable disease. Okay, what kind of these communicable diseases are? They are mostly acute in nature, except some disease like AIDS. They are common. Okay, now we can talk about this COVID-19. Okay, now AIDS, except the disease AIDS is also communicable. Except AIDS, this COVID-19 are also bit dangerous, bit serious. But most of the disease like common cold, okay, diarrhea, dysentery, okay, these are not that much harmful. But some of the disease, communicable disease, are also very harmful. So earlier, at the earlier days, there was AIDS, so that is mentioned in your book. Okay, now except some disease like AIDS and COVID-19, that can be also added. Okay, they are dangerous. Now for the non-communicable, they are mostly chronic in nature, that mostly serious or dangerous in nature. Now the cure, how to cure communicable and non-communicable. Most of these diseases are curable. Now again talking about curable, COVID-19 is also communicable, but it is seen, okay, just some month before, so that is not mentioned in your book. But communicable, most of the communicable they are curable, but except some of the disease like AIDS and this COVID-19. For the non-communicable, okay, most of these diseases are difficult to cure. Okay, bit difficult. Why? Because they are bit chronic. So non-communicable they are bit difficult. Okay, for the treatment, for the cure. Some of the example of communicable, that is common cold, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, typhoid, roundworm, hookworm, jaundice, rabies, malaria, influenza, HIV, and AIDS, and also COVID-19, that is also communicable disease. Okay, so today we have discussed about the cause, nature, cure, and some of the example of communicable and non-communicable disease. I think student you understood about communicable and non-communicable. Communicable, that transfer from one person to another, and the medium might be through the direct contact, that means through the water droplets, through the air. So talking about this COVID-19, you should also use masks while going outside, while going in the gathering. Better not to go out in the gathering. Why? Because the mode of transmission, that is from also water droplets from the infected people, also the different kinds of surface, by touching that, the virus that can be transmitted. To prevent from this non-communicable COVID-19, we should wash our hand with the sanitizer or soap and water. Avoid touching your mouth, your nose, eyes. Try to clean the things. And also personal hygiene, maintaining personal hygiene. That is the good way to prevent from every kinds of disease. So students, from tomorrow, we'll discuss some of the communicable and some of the non-communicable disease. So only this much for today as an introduction.